Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Take the yeast water out of the fridge sometime before baking bread and let it reach room temperature. You will need slightly more than 1/2 cup or 100 milliliters to 135 milliliters for 500 grams flour. This will equal 1 package of dried yeast. Before using the yeast, shake the jar since the yeast will usually be at the bottom.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In a clean mason jar, put the packet of viable dry yeast in 1 cup of warm, 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, water and approximately 2 cups of flour. Mix and let sit out on the counter until it is foamy. You have now created a yeast starter that can be used 1/3 to 1/2 a cup, and then replenished with more water and flour for the next use.
Take our lead.
Here are the 3 best substitutes for yeast. Baking powder. Baking powder is a staple ingredient in a baker's pantry. Baking soda and acid. You can also use baking soda combined with acid to replace yeast. Sourdough starter. Sourdough starter contains naturally occurring yeast.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.